Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to use keyframes in Capcut video editor. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now I have this video here for demonstration, and what I'm gonna do in this video is to make like an arrow to follow this man right here. And first thing to do is to go to the stickers, and I'll choose arrows. Then I will choose this arrow right here, and I will adjust it. I'll adjust this arrow till it reaches end of this point, for example. Then using my fingers, I will small this arrow right here. Then go back and look at this icon right here. From this icon, you can add a keyframe. So what is exactly a keyframe? Keyframes actually allows you to make changes from one point to another point, and we usually use these keyframes in order to do some animations. So what I'm gonna do right now is to click on this diamond shaped icon right here in order to add a keyframe, and as you can see here, I have added a keyframe, and I will change the place of this arrow right here by using my fingers. Then I will play the video and add another keyframe just in order to make this arrow right here follow this man. And after adding the keyframe, you can change the place of this arrow. Then I will play again, add another keyframe, and just make it on the man right here. Then I will play it more. Now add new keyframe, then change its place. I'll play more, add a new keyframe, and now I have added about 5 keyframes. Now you can play the video. As you can see here, this arrow follows this man, and you can also use keyframes in order to zoom in or make a zoom in animation. So now what I'm gonna do is to delete this thing right here. Now what I'm gonna do now is to click on the timeline right here, then add a keyframe, and I will play the video. As you can see, then I will zoom in on the man, and now when you try to play the video again, as you can see, it will show you that there is a zoom in animation on the man. And this is another method you can benefit from the keyframes, and the keyframes has many uses. All you have to do is to just see more tutorials and discover more about keyframes. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.